You have to take it to the restroom, man.
Take it to the restroom?
Yeah.
Take a shot in the restroom?
No, man. I mean, like, you're gonna be puking. You ready to go? 7 days! You motherfucker! Oh, damn! This my old man nut! You got that shit on camera? Got that shit on camera, alright. Oh, man. This is my...
Yeah, you better puke, motherfucker.
Take that shit to the restroom. Ah, you like it?
And isn't that a bitch? You're serving your own poison.
You know what's funny, dude? It's like this guy was like, no, and I'm down to play again. Let's play again.
But it's, oh my god, I paused though, like I stopped before, but then I did get you, like you're like, oh yeah, I'm gonna fucking win, like, or I'm gonna lose or some shit, and then like you actually got it again. So let's do it again. You want it?
No, I'm done.
Yeah, I got that on camera.
Let's play something. What can you guys